Hello, welcome to Nurseries. I'm Janine. We're here with Peter Robin and we're discussing a new range of hardy hydrangeas named after a whole range of mountain ranges. And this is the first one we're going to talk about. It's called Magical Himalaya. It takes an awful lot of exposure, large white flowers, panicle type, so you cut them hard back every year at this time to encourage all that lovely fresh growth again. They flower non-stop from July until October, and this is the time of year to plant it. So to plant Magical Himalaya, decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super try planting fertilizer at the bottom, compost and soil on top, and the same back in around, and feed all your hydrangeas with flower max from now every 4 to 6 weeks to make the most from them. There's a whole range of hardy hydrangeas named after mountain ranges we'll be talking about over the next while. Isn't that right, Peter? But it's a lovely new variety. So Magical Himalaya, well, we're finding a spot for height thereabouts about 1.5 meters, by about the same across. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.